Just a
Yes,
point
Your
of
Honor.
information. You have a high-profile drug pusher convicted of murder, sentenced to life, who went out of prison in 2012, allegedly for asthma, and stayed from April and May 2012 at the Asian Medical Center. So nakakalabas po talaga. Nakakalabas po talaga. And I hope it doesn't happen. Your question kanina, ma'am, if I may just answer the question. Kung may problema kayo kay Peter ko, napanood mo ba yung Silence of the Lambs? Ilagay mo kaya sa doon sa isang isolated prison, ay pagawa mo lahat doon at doon siya habang buhay na talagang nakakulong siya doon. Tignan ko kung makapagpadala yan. Pagwardyahin natin kay General Ping Lacson at saka kay Lieutenant Trillanes at siguro hindi makakalabas yan. Di ba? Pwede? Mabantayan nilang dalawa yan. Sigurado hindi makakalabas. Biro lang yan. Pero to me, that's just a suggestion. You can actually isolate these people. Isolate them. Why do we have to put them together with the population? That they can get in touch with the guards.